Possibly.
Today I just started first part of the workshop, which is working with Girl Scouts making experimental design structures. It's a construction system I designed specifically for Girl Scouts.
I think it needs to
Just giving them 5 minutes introduction, it seems it was enough for them to grasp the method, and they quickly developed things that I didn't think about myself. And I was proposing to build something like tents or furnitures, but it ended up like girls making swings and carousels and other shapes. I have never been a scout myself, but I really love making things with my own hands in the nature, building structures. And I think it's important for them to construct and design something at the same time, not just executing finished designs that are pre-thought for them.
Altså, det har været rigtig sjovt, ja, fordi man lærer så mange nye mennesker at kende og nye måder at arbejde på. Så det har været rigtig fedt.
They were and still are having fun doing it, and I think through the process of building, they learned what sort of shapes are more stable than others. It's something between design, art, education, and I think I don't see a big need to separate those fields, and I think often it's really nice when they meet together.